What if I told you that one of humanity's greatest inventions was hiding right in your bathroom? Something as simple as soap can save lives, clean surfaces, and even teach us incredible lessons about science. Today, we are diving deep into the science behind soap. How it works, where it came from, and some surprising secrets you won't believe. Soap might seem ordinary, but trust me, it is anything but boring. From ancient civilizations to cutting-edge labs, soap has played a starring role in human progress. But first, let's talk about what makes soap soapy. At its core, soap is all about chemistry, a magical dance between oil, water, and dirt. Believe it or not, soap dates back over 4,500 years. The earliest evidence comes from Mesopotamia, where they mixed animal fat with wood ash to create a rudimentary cleaning agent. Fast forward to ancient Rome, and soap gets its name from Mount Sapo, a mythical site where rain washed animal fat and ash into the Tiber River, creating natural soap used by locals. But here is the twist. It was not until the Middle Ages that soap became widely adopted for personal hygiene. Before then, it was mostly used for laundry and textiles. The Industrial Revolution transformed soap making forever. Suddenly, mass production made it affordable and accessible to everyone. Brands like Ivory and Palmolive became household names. Then came liquid soap in the 1980s, a game changer for convenience. Today, scientists are innovating with eco-friendly formulas, antibacterial properties, and even biodegradable packaging. And guess what? Modern soap is not just for cleaning anymore. It is also infused with moisturizers, fragrances, and exfoliants to pamper your skin. Soap is not just practical, it is deeply tied to culture and tradition. For example, in Japan, bathing rituals emphasize cleanliness and relaxation, often involving beautifully scented soaps. In India, Ayurvedic soaps made from neem and turmeric have been used for centuries for their medicinal benefits. Meanwhile, France is famous for its artisanal Marseille soap, crafted using age-old techniques. Even today, gifting fancy soaps is seen as a gesture of care and thoughtfulness worldwide. Here is a fun fact. Did you know soap does not actually kill germs? Instead, it traps them in tiny bubbles called micelles and washes them away. Another surprise. Antibacterial soap is not necessarily better than regular soap. Studies show plain soap does just as good a job at removing bacteria when used properly. Oh, and get this. NASA uses special Norrin's body wash in space because traditional soap would float away. So there you have it, the amazing science behind soap. It is not just a humble bar or bottle. It is a marvel of chemistry, history, and innovation. Next time you lather up, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey that brought soap to your sink. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of soap, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend who loves quirky science facts. And do not forget to subscribe for more fascinating videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay clean, and keep exploring the wonders of science. See you in the next video.